Insurance service provider Britam has announced a 370.8 million profit after tax rise to 2 billion shillings in the first half of the year ending June. This is up from 1.64 billion shillings registered during a similar period last year. The Underwriter's performance was largely supported by both their insurance businesses as investment activities slowed down owing to high interest rates. Jimmy Mbogo now reports on their growth that has largely been in new markets, particularly those targeting the youth and SMEs.
In the period under review, Britam recorded a 31% increase in gross earned premiums, reaching 26.7 billion shillings. This growth in premiums saw the insurer's revenue surge to 17.8 billion shillings, reflecting a 7% increase from 16.6 billion shillings in the same period last year. The company further reported a 150% increase in investment income, which reached 13.3 billion shillings. An increase that the Underwriter says was driven by robust investment strategies that capitalize on market opportunities, particularly in the fixed income and equity markets, despite high interest rates.
Because of the deliberate activity we took to match our liabilities, long-term liabilities with long-term investments, our short-term liabilities with short-term investments, we have fared better than most in terms of our investment income.
But despite the growth, Britam has not declared any dividend payout, even as return on equity grew by 6% to stand at 21%, while assets grew by 5% to 231 billion shillings. Blaming the lack of a dividend payment on an accounting issue owing to a significant loss recorded in 2020.
Our not paying dividend is not a reflection that our shareholders' funds and values are not growing. It is actually just an accounting technical issue that we have to exhaust accumulated loss before we pay a dividend.
In the period under review, the Underwriter notes that claims worth over 100 million shillings have been settled. Gitogo further noting that there has been a notable increase in claims owing to flood-related damages that were recorded both in Kenya and other markets. The Underwriter, however, remains cautious over the contribution of their asset management business owing to an elevated interest rates, which offers investors better returns.
So the outlook for us is still positive because we are now relying more on our insurance businesses rather than our investment income to deliver strong results.
With a 43% market share of microinsurance, Britam says it will be looking at this segment as well as other growth markets, even as the Kenyan business remains steady. Jimmy Mbogo, Citizen TV, Nairobi.